My name is Harsh, and in this video I'll be talking about circular progress indicator, which is another important widget which we generally use in Flutter. Circular progress indicator can take is background color, so we can pass the background color for this. So I'll be specifying the color as red. The next thing which we can pass inside this circular progress indicator is the semantics value or semantics label. So the semantic label is generally a string which it has so that the software which is running the app can identify what was the need for this circular progress indicator. So I'll be passing demo here. The next thing which it takes is the semantic value. So it generally takes the values, like if we want to specify a progress of something using this indicator, so we can pass those values in it. Next thing it has is a stroke width, so this will be changing the width of this progress indicator, so I'll be passing it as 19. Some more things which you can pass inside this circular progress indicator is a value or value color or a key. So basically a key is generally passed to identify this circular progress indicator separately from other widgets in the widget tree. Let me save it and show it to you. So you can see this is how the circular progress indicator looks. So that is it for this video.